Rakitech does a little bit of everything when it comes to trying to outfit you for the outdoors. So we do bike racks, roof racks, everything all the way up into overlanding and rooftop tents. Rakitech started in 1996 as a single store in Vancouver. We've expanded to just over 40 stores in North America. So we cover your die-hard overlanding guys all the way up to mom and dad just trying to outfit the van for a weekend trip with the kids. We set ourselves apart with the customer service. The person you're going to be talking to actually knows what they're talking about. They actually live and breathe the product that we sell. When we have the influx of customer interactions that we do every day, having a reliable provider for our phone service ends up being extremely important. Nextiva is our primary provider through all of our locations across North America. All of our tech team, all of our home office ends up using that as well. So being connected 24/7 is that much easier. It's extremely important for Rakitech to be connected to our customers. We're a destination retailer, so it doesn't necessarily mean that all of our customers are right in our backyard. People come from a long ways away to be able to reach us, and being able to be connected via the phone ends up making that interaction that much easier. Nextiva is extremely reliable. We don't have to worry about dropped calls. We don't have to worry about anything that's more or less out of our control. Nextiva takes care of that for us. Seeing Nextiva One is really inspiring. Our corporate office uses it. We're actually really excited to be able to use it in the stores. I can't think of another provider that would be as reliable and as easy to use as Nextiva has been.